So we're going through immigration because we're gonna stay in a place we've never stayed before. So let's go. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and it's our final hours here in Bali. I'm gonna start this video a bit differently because I want to tell you a little story. 7 years ago, Mas came to Bali for the first time for a workshop. He had to leave a few weeks before us because my kids were doing a show in the US. So he left 2 weeks earlier and then we joined him. And we took this long trip from Phoenix to Bali. At the time, Luca was 1 and Cosimo and Emma were 7 and 8. So we drove 6 hours, got on a plane, a very long flight that Luca slept only about 2 hours of the 13 hours to Taipei. Taipei, we made it here. It was a journey, and as I was thinking about our flight out, I realized that we are taking the same exact journey. We are leaving, flying to Taipei, landing in LA, and driving to Phoenix. So what does this mean? For us, it means that in some way, this is the end of a cycle, not a travel cycle, more of like a growth cycle. These 7 years brought so much growth in our family and so much unity for the 5 of us. And I think we have kind of learned this lesson very well in the past 7 years. And so the fact that we are leaving just as we came the first time from this country, I cannot ignore. I don't have much from our first trip. We were newbies at everything, but I have plenty of this trip. So come with us as we make our way back to Arizona. Let's see what the new cycle will be for all of us. Bye.
Relax. You don't know who's waiting.
Oh.
They're going to the airport.
Why were you guys laughing last time? What were you guys talking about?
Bye.
Goodbye. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, yeah. Luca, you do it. Do it.
Okay, let's go. Yeah.
I decide to stay. I'm not coming.
You better come.
I'm coming in a month.
He's turning
Guys,
50, and he's turning 50
Guys,
with us this year.
So wait, there's another video of he shows you what he was doing in Bali. Okay, it's on Simple Happiness with Mas. Go check that one out. It's really cool, so you can see what he was doing and how simple his life was here in
by
Bali.
myself.
Yeah.
Without his family.
Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Wait, no. How? When do you come?
We see you.
Ciao.
Oh.
Ciao. First stop is the airport in Bali. Here we are, all loaded.
Yep.
And going in. We're gonna check in, get through security, immigration, everything.
We'll see you at our lunch break. Last moments here in Bali. We are boarding our first flight. We're gonna have 2 flights.
Yeah.
We're gonna show you something
But
cool we're gonna do
basically,
tonight.
we are going to a bleep 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 blah bleep.
They already know where we're going.
We don't know where we're staying.
No, you don't know that.
We're gonna go bleep 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 bleep.
So we will see you in Taipei in 5 hours and a half, and we will show you where we are staying.
Bum bum. Bam bum bum. Really are such a Hello Kitty.
Airplane to ever exist.
Yes.
It's nice to sleep on the plane, then sleep. So then you get more energy for tomorrow.
You're going to sleep off the plane so you get more energy so you can watch more movies.
I've been wanting to do this thing for a while where basically we know some other people who do it where they give chocolates to the flight attendants, right? And we just thought, oh, it'd be such a cool thing to do, but every time we forget. So this time that we finally did it. And so I gave it to one of the flight attendants lady and she was kind of like, like shocked, like what? You know, so she didn't say anything really, but she was just, I know she was surprised, like, oh, okay, I'll give it. I said, give it to the whole crew. Towards the end of the flight, another lady comes and she's like, oh, here, she gives us
Smoothies.
these green smoothies and these bag of nuts and
They're
raisins
much
and that
prettier
stuff.
than the ones we got.
Yeah, from business class. And we're like, oh, that's so nice, right? She gave it just me and Emma, though,
I
because
thought
she didn't
gave
know.
us the wrong drink because before she had mistaken
Yeah.
us for giving us hot cocoa for
Yeah,
someone
me
else.
too. I thought so, too.
And then 5 minutes later.
She comes with this huge bag and is like, here, you can take this whole thing.
She noticed that there was 4 of us. She gave the drinks just for the 2 of us. And she was like, oh, you're all together, right?
Hi. Oh, there they are, the crew. Yeah.
So, inside this bag, there are a bunch of like bags of
like all these
mixed
little
nuts. And look how many playing cards they gave us. What are we gonna do with all these? I mean,
Gift them.
still. Yeah.
Thank you to all the flight attendants
Yeah.
on Eva Air.
Thank you.
And
So,
now
Totally
Why
fine.
did you?
we have another flight to take
Now we must rest.
tomorrow morning.
yeah.
So
It's just a nice thing to do, guys, because the problem
People
is,
with kindness.
yeah,
in here?
the flight attendants maybe sometimes would feel, you know, you're just treating them like the waiter.
Can
Not
we
on
go
purpose,
now?
but they're always seeing people.
some people are not very kind
Yeah.
to them. So thank you very
go.
much.
So, yeah.
Let's go.
We appreciate everything you do for everyone.
This way?
So we're going through immigration because we're gonna stay in a place we've never stayed before. So let's go.
Hey guys, I happen to know the person who wrote these books. We're very close. You might say that I was born in this room with her. Anyway, she just wrote these books and they are very good. Your children will love them. So yeah, guys, your children from ages 15 to 18. Just kidding. Anyways, you better be sure to buy the Adventure Globe now, guys, because they're perfect for kids. Yay!
It's time to go to sleep.
Up we go.
Ooh. Oh my gosh.
We are staying at
Stay.
Capsule Hotel.
Hello. Yes. We are 4. Desanti. Yes.
Time to check in.
They give you free food.
It's candy.
Candy is still food. Free food.
This place is so chic. There's like a little putting your stuff in the area. Makes me think of the place we stayed in Thailand. Although there wasn't a putty stuffy place area. Was there?
And every time go inside, your room key close here. Okay. And right side is toilet and shower room for men, left side for female.
Thank you.
Good night.
This one's not labeled. I guess we have to go over there because
Where are you going?
you don't sleep in here. We have another 2.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we do. This is it. Yeah. Wait, I thought we had to sleep in separate beds.
Oh, it's the family one. It's like this.
Oh. So I can sleep with one of you? Oh.
One moment, please. Welcome to our little tiny capsule hotel for the night. It's not like a capsule. We're not sleeping in like a hole, but like it's really small. Here you have the entryway, some small foot space. You have a bed
know we don't have to whisper.
We have to whisper because we have to be quiet. They told us to be quiet. Cosimo doesn't.
But talking normal voice is not gonna change that.
Cosimo doesn't know how to be quiet. Cosimo is grumpy because it's 11 o'clock and he's tired.
I'm not grumpy.
So we are gonna say goodnight, and this is our first time in a capsule hotel, and it's pretty cool. Although they're very serious here, right? They weren't smiling much, but it's okay. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow for our next flight on our way back.
Yeah.
Good morning. We still can't talk loudly, but apparently Cosimo.
What do you mean? It's 8.
Cosimo cannot stop making noise.
Wait, where's
He has to
Brad?
tell everybody that he's up.
Step 1. Get out of here when Cosmo's done getting ready and get past security. Step 2. Again, go into the gate. And step 3, we're riding the plane to Nuna. Yeah.
Okay, look out. Did you like sleeping in here?
Yeah, the pillows are nice, just not that nice.
Emma, did you like sleeping in here?
It was actually quite comfortable, I think.
I heard everybody that got up all night. I kept on waking up, so.
You have a problem, Mom.
Shh.
You're a shallow sleeper. You gotta be a deep sleeper.
I usually am.
That's how true travelers are, guys.
Just be quiet.
I usually am a deep sleeper, but I couldn't fall asleep because I kept on hearing people. Anyway, they do rent for free. I don't know why it says that. Noise canceling headphones, but I was too lazy to even put mine on. Did you like it? Did you? Now everybody will see how you brush your hair.
Yeah, I liked it.
That's it. He just woke up.
I want to tell you.
Okay, we're going to catch a plane.
We're looking for chocolates again for our flight attendants on this flight.
You can do the hearts. How many are there?
Let's see, 20. That's pretty good. How much is it? $3.40. Beautiful Belgian chocolate.
Oh, there's also
I mean, the other time, from Tanzania. What
bubble milk tea chocolate.
Wait, how many are in this one? We actually changed chocolate. We got merci instead because, you know, merci, thank you.
In French?
2 things, chocolate and someone saying thank you on paper. So much better, am I right? We'll show you when we give them to the flight attendants on the plane.
I don't know if we can film them, but we'll tell you.
We'll show our hand giving it. Emma's
Looked
giving
like
it.
he was punching.
Emma's giving it this time. What?
Excuse me. Thank you for being so nice. On this aircraft. This is for you and the whole group.
Yes. Good job.
Excuse me. Wait. Thank you for being so nice on the aircraft. This is for you and the whole group. Oh, really? Yes.
Yeah, it's for you. You can welcome. Welcome to
America.
Yay! We are in Lax. That's the name of the airport, Lax.
And now you're here. And it's 7 o'clock. Which way do we go?
2 good travel tips, actually. I would suggest to do like we did. So for this trip, we went from Bali to Taiwan, which was 5 hours flight, right? But it was at night.
The afternoon.
But we arrived at night, and we arrived at like 10. Actually, no, we got the room at like 11. And we slept, though, for the night, and we all had a good sleep. So today was basically all day, the flight. It was 11 hours, but during the day. But we were so well rested that I was able to do a bunch of other stuff. You know, instead of being on the flight, like, brain dead, like, you know, like just watching movies, like I did a bunch of stuff. Not always possible, but if possible, do it. And tip number 2, just don't do like us and travel like across the world all the time when you travel.
We don't do that.
No, but sometimes we do, you know. I mean, we came here because our grandma
has to get a surgery.
No, it's an excuse. She wants to see us.
Well, I mean, officially, she's having surgery, and so we came back to be here with her.
But anyways, my point is,
she'll be fine.
Normally, what we do, if you've seen this past year, we've been doing normally 3 to 5 hour flights. That was the longest we've done.
Now it's been 2 million hours.
Now we did so many hours. But if you can do that too, try to do just places that are closer. Don't work harder and go halfway across the world, because then, you know, you find more things. Yes.
Okay,
Then we do like 20
So those are my tips.
Okay, let's get out of the immigration.
Is that Barnes and Nobles?
No videos here.
Hi guys, we are in the last leg of our trip back to Arizona. Woo woo! Yes. It's hard to believe that 7 years ago I did this road with 3 young children. Now I have 3 giants.
Now the big time jump.
We actually stopped here. This is Palm Springs, and we stopped here for lunch too. We're not doing it today.
Wow.
Lunchy.
Because guys,
No,
we
we're
haven't
not.
really been going that much because
Luca keeps having to go to the
yeah,
bathroom.
Luca keeps
He has a very small bladder.
We have almost 5 hours to go, less than 5 hours to go. And then we'll say happy birthday to my mom.
We're entering Arizona. People, oh hello, this is Dad, by the way. He's up at 6 in the
He's
morning.
traveling with us right now.
Sitting in the car.
Arizona state line. Now there should be the big sign.
The line.
Wait,
okay.
wait.
Oh, there, Arizona? Is it that? What is Arizona?
No, not that. It's on this side.
Oh, but it said over there too.
Arizona!
Woohoo! The Grand Canyon State.
We've entered Arizona!
And Dad entered with us. Woohoo!
Welcome to Arizona, Mom.
See, Dad, he's sitting in the car with us right here. That's his spot. Only his head came with us, but you know, it's totally fine.
Hi guys.
As usual, we try to surprise Nona. Not that much this year, but hey, I'm still buckled in.
Oh, you locked it. Oh, you were afraid that it wasn't us.
No, I look.
Oh my God, no. Oh my God, Nana, you're short. Archaeologists just unearthed an amazing ancient artifact.
That's me.
Your birth certificate. Happy birthday. And then it says over here.
We found it at
In
the
LA.
store.
Do your thing, dream big, and enjoy every moment. Wishing you the happiest birthday and the best year.
Now carry us inside.
Mas's birthday officially. Now.
I knew it. The snow is coming for me.
And it's snowing outside.
I was telling Sarah 2 years ago with the same thing, and now it's snowing again.
Look at that. Oh, we'll have a white birthday.
Oh! You have to decorate.
Wow, nice Emma.
Okay, open yours.
Oh my gosh! Wow! It's looked like to be at the bakery.
I'm taking it. Yeah, but I always came.
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mas. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, now. Tanti auguri a te, tanti auguri a te, tanti auguri a babbo.
Tanti auguri a te.
Tanti auguri.